Hey guys, welcome to Nyonya Cooking. To kickstart our relaunch of nyonyacooking.com, our website, we are going to present you a series of recipes which are included in one particular dish in Malaysia, which is very popular, and that is banana leaf rice. If you haven't had banana leaf rice, you want to know more about banana leaf rice, or even see my visit to my last banana leaf rice restaurant, check out the link in the description box because there's just so much more information to share with you. Now, there are many dishes that are in banana leaf rice, and each dish would be very let's just say that the steps are just sometimes tough, sometimes much more complicated, sometimes really pretty easy. So this recipe that I'm sharing with you right now is actually pretty easy, and this is how to prepare deep fried snake gourd. So you can either use bitter gourd or snake gourd, but I am accustomed to snake gourd because it is always served in the banana leaf rice restaurant that I usually go to. Sometimes they do substitute it with bitter gourd, but here I managed to find snake gourd. This is how it looks like a snake. And then we're going to deep fry it with a bunch of spices and also curry leaves, which is very significant to the southern Indian cuisine that is much more available in Malaysia. So let's just slice this into small slices, and then we're going to show you how to deep fry it. So we'll cut this into slices first. I'm just going to cut the sides because they are slightly dried up, but if you can really find nice and fresh plump snake gourd, that would be the best. Just going to cut it into shorter slices, and what I'm going to do is to halve it. So this is how it looks inside. Remove the insides of the snake gourd before cutting it into slices. So it should just look like that because there are also seeds in it. So just repeat this until the whole snake gourd is cut into slices. We're going to now prepare the batter to deep fry this snake gourd, and that consists of corn flour, rice flour, and also gram flour. Now for the full description and also amount of ingredients to use, head on to the website. So here, I'm just going to mix them up all so that we have corn flour, rice flour, and also gram flour, bit of pepper, salt, chili powder. Then all we're going to do now is mix well. Once you have mixed well, you're going to add a bit of water just to create the batter, just to get it going. A bit of water at a time, not too much. This is still too dry, so mix well. If you have eaten deep fried bitter gourd or snake gourd, you'll realize that the batter is slightly reddish in color. Now this color comes from the chili powder, but we are also going to add a bit of artificial coloring just to make it slightly more redder. It's really up to you, but there is a bit of coloring too in this recipe. So I'm just going to mix this evenly, mix it up. All we want to do right now is just to ensure that the batter evenly coats the sliced snake gourd, and then we're going to deep fry it. Just like most South Indian cuisine, we're going to have curry leaves. So once fried together, curry leaves would give out an aroma that is very fragrant, and that is very important in the dishes or Indian dishes that are found in Malaysia. Okay, so this looks good. deep fried snake gourd is finally done, and it's so simple to prepare. This looks exactly like what is served when they serve it in banana leaf rice restaurants in Malaysia. And of course, I cannot let you go before. So crispy, look at it. Perfect. Salty, delicious. So quickly head on to our website nyonyacooking.com. The link is in the description box, and before you go, subscribe to the channel if you have not. Until then, I wish you happy cooking!